Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook on a charcoal grill. There's something truly special about the flavor charcoal imparts to food, and I'm excited to guide you through the process. We'll start by gathering your essential equipment and preparing your grill safely. Understanding these foundational steps is key to a successful and enjoyable grilling experience. Get ready to unlock delicious, smoky flavors right in your backyard with confidence and ease. Let's fire up that grill. Next, let's master the art of lighting your charcoal and managing the heat. We'll explore simple, effective methods for getting your coals glowing hot, whether you prefer a chimney starter or another technique. Then, I'll show you how to arrange your coals to create different heat zones, direct for searing and indirect for slower cooking. Learning to control your grill's temperature is crucial for perfectly cooked food, from juicy steaks to tender vegetables. It's all about understanding the fire. Now that your grill is hot and ready, let's dive into grilling techniques for delicious results. I'll share tips on where to place your food on the grates to achieve those coveted sear marks and ensure even cooking. We'll discuss when to use direct heat for quick cooking items and when to move things to indirect heat for a gentle, thorough cook. These techniques will help you confidently grill a wide variety of foods, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor and perfectly cooked. Get ready to impress. Finally, let's talk about finishing up and proper grill care. Once your delicious meal is cooked, it's important to safely extinguish your charcoal and clean your grill grates. I'll show you how to do this efficiently, ensuring your grill is ready for its next use. Regular cleaning and maintenance not only prolong the life of your charcoal grill, but also contribute to better tasting food. Following these simple steps will keep your grilling adventures safe, enjoyable, and consistently delicious for many seasons to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.